it will be a big project of mine. I already had this name planned out. I just asked both my parents for one word and I just combined them. So, bam. It actually turned out not that good. So then we're going to need a song that every good demon level has. How about At the Speed of Light by Tim Miranda 47? No, I'm just joking. I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to find something else. Maybe. This is probably one of the most important parts of your level. Finding the right song to fit the theme. Since this level is going to be kind of effect heavy and more glow style, let's go with Time Weaver. Okay, I'm going to start off at slow speed. Okay, that can work for right now. So first we're going to need to add some difficulty. Right now I'm just going to add some nice jumps. And also in this level I'm going for sync, detail, fun gameplay, and at some parts cancerous gameplay. That works pretty well right now. And now we just copy and paste, like always. I think for right now, I'm just gonna put a jump orb in the ground and put some, I don't know. I'm probably gonna make it so you have to tap right there. You know, this is gonna be, I want this level to be pretty hard. I think that's good for right now. Okay, so now I'm going to, I don't know. I'm really out of ideas, but I literally just started this video and I'm like dying for ideas. Okay, that works for right now, I think. Okay, that works. Let's see if that's even possible, because it looked like I was flipping the spike. I cannot do double jumps at slow speed. Oh my gosh, everybody hailed the worst mobile player. And of course, I didn't even go through the portal. My goodness. I've only gotten past that one time. Oh gosh. I already see where this is going. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Yeah, I don't think this last part is actually possible. So let me move that down by one. Now, if I can get past it. Finally, okay. That works right now. I'm gonna add some more cancerous gameplay. And hold on. Sorry about that part before. I forgot to turn my music down, so it probably was hard to hear me. But anyways, back into the level. It's still tiny, but I added this hard timing right there that I somehow have not missed. How? How did I not just miss that? What? Hold on, let me try to miss. Okay. So I just added this little section here, and it actually has some fun gameplay, I'm not gonna lie, but that timing is pretty hard. Now I'm gonna add a memory section right here. I forgot where my inspiration's from, but I just saw like a video or a level that had a memory section where there was a bunch of platforms and each had like holes in it and all that. So I'm just gonna try and make the best memory section. So now I made this memory part and I added a little, like, this is not little, you get the point. Well, this rises to the drop, and the drop, well, it's not really a drop, it's kind of just a build for the drop. So next it's going to go into a ship part, but here we have it. It's this so far. I think that works out pretty nicely. And I'm going to finish up this ship part, and eventually this is going to be a full layout, but this is just part 1 out of many parts. So, see you guys all next time. But first, I need to show you what I... So I now have the ship part done. I added a bunch of spikes to add a level of difficulty, and wherever you see a bunch of these mini parts right here, that's either to add texture and detail or to fix a bug. Like right here, when you hit this yellow jump orb, you would clip the edge and die. So I just made that. I might make it a slope in that in the future. And for some reason, it's not allowing me to hit this jump orb even when I'm tapping on it. Like, it just won't let me for some reason. That might be like input lag or something. But I know that I'm tapping on it, so. Maybe it's just in that. Hold on, let me go. You can already see that this is going to be a big challenge for me to verify. Unless one of you guys want to verify it, of course. Yeah, for some reason it's in the editor. Yeah, but that's it. Right there. This is the first part. I might add a little more. But that's it for now. Adios, guys. See you guys in the next video. Sorry if this one was short, but the next video should be out soon. Adios. Okay, so right before I actually leave, I had to make some changes to this because there were way too many bugs. Like with this one, actually what was happening is when you tapped it, you were going up into this tile and then coming back down and then like shooting yourself back up into it. So like you couldn't do it again. But I fixed that. I just moved it over just a tad bit. Also right here, I fixed it just a little bit. And that's all. Okay, I know this is like the second time I've said again, but if anybody wants to collab with me or take a chance to verify this or help decorate, you can. Just